Meteorologist George Lessons joins us now with a first look at our forecast. George.
A little light rain while you were sleeping last night, and then temperatures fell all day as a cold front went through the region. What's ahead for your Wednesday? Well, we have some more mild weather. Lots of clouds out there right now, but clouds are going to be clearing. No precipitation for your evening commute. You can see already skies clearing up around the Pentwater down to Whitehall area, and that clearing will be moving through. So we got clear skies here tonight, but next weather system taking shape down in Texas, and that's going to bring a lot of rain to the area, probably the most since October. And it may be the most since we have had since last August. Yes, there's a lot of rain, a lot of mild air coming on up. With the rain here tomorrow, I should say tomorrow night into Thursday, we'll see our temperatures in the 40s. All those 50s and 60s will stay away from us, at least for the time being. Right now, we're in the upper 30s. We've been cooling off all day. 40 along the lakeshore in Muskegon and Ludington. I see Ludington not quite clearing out quite yet, but temperatures tonight will fall a little bit below freezing and then back into the low 40s here during the day tomorrow. Closer look at how much rain we're going to get in your community and the weekend. All important weekend forecast coming your way in just a few minutes.
Another day of milder temperatures, and they are going to stick around.
Absolutely. George is out on the weather deck with all the good news, right, George?
That's right. We've got warmer than average temperatures. Despite our cool down here today, we are going to see milder weather even into next week. First things first, 13 weather ball is red. A little bit milder in the afternoon ahead, back into the 40s after dropping into the 30s today. This view sponsored by Countryside Greenhouse of Allendale. Temperatures have been falling all day, and they'll continue to fall down below freezing later on tonight as skies clear. Sunshine to start our day, and that sunshine will go away during the afternoon as some high clouds come on in out ahead of the next weather system, and will warm back up into the low 40s. So we'll be warmer this time tomorrow afternoon than we are currently. That cold front has now pushed all the way to the east of us, way over into Pennsylvania. That came through around daybreak while you were sleeping last night. Just some light rain around the area as temperatures went up into the low and mid 40s, and they've been falling ever since. No sunshine today. A little bit more here to start our day tomorrow. This is at 7 a.m., but the clouds will race in from the south, and not too long after that, this is 7 o'clock tomorrow evening, the rain will arrive, and that'll be with us throughout the day on Thursday. Quite a windy day as that low pressure system goes right up overhead. No snow or wintry mix here in West Michigan, and in fact, this storm is going to lift out so quickly that there be just a flurry or two during the day on Friday. So no snow heading in our direction, just rain. This might be the most rain since October. It's going to be quite a bit around the area. Lots of sunshine Saturday and again on Sunday as well before some high clouds come in at the end of the week. In terms of rainfall, as I mentioned, this could be the most that we have seen since mid-October. We're talking maybe up to an inch in some locations, and that's really going to melt most, if not all, of the snow on the ground, just some piles left around, and that will be all day on Thursday and then end Thursday evening. Long range outlook from the 13th through the 17th, a very high chance we're going to continue to be warmer than average. High chance that we'll see more precipitation. There's yet another round of rain coming later on next week into early next weekend. Tonight, those skies will be clearing. Temperatures down around 30, a little bit below freezing. Up north, you'll drop into the mid and upper 20s. Watch out for maybe a little black ice here, a little bit of leftover melting rain and snow, and upper 20s to near 30 here in the greater Grand Rapids zone as skies clear from west to east. 13 on your side forecast. 42 on Wednesday. Technically, that's warmer than this afternoon. 48 on Thursday. Will fall back into the 30s Friday, Saturday, and then recover into the 40s again on Sunday. 51 next Tuesday. Some rain on Valentine's night that will end, and then more rain with falling temperatures next to Thursday night, with 56 dropping into the 20s by the following Friday.
With rain and mild temperatures in the forecast, the snow is going to melt.
I know, and George, now this seems a little too good to be true, because it is Michigan after all, right?
That is absolutely right, but we do generally get January thaws, although the entire month of January was a thaw. And then we got cold, and now we're back into the February thaw.
Yeah. Right.
It is going to continue to be mild for the next couple of days with some rain. 13 weather ball is red for Wednesday, though. No rain tomorrow during the day, and this view sponsored by Countryside Greenhouse of Allendale. We said temperatures would fall to 36. By 5 o'clock, it dropped to 38 within 3 degrees of our forecast high. We've done that 5 days in a row, and only one miss here in the past month. We've been showing you the clouds across the area. This is what the models are going to say tonight, with the clouds just going poof. It'll become clear here in a very short while, and we'll start our day with some sunshine, but the clouds will overspread the area. This will be filtered sunshine. A lot of high clouds out ahead of the next weather system coming up from the south. This is all rain coming in after midnight tomorrow night. This is 7 o'clock on Thursday morning. It'll be all rain in West Michigan, and then on Thursday it will start to wind down. In fact, the rain's going to come very quickly to an end Thursday evening, and even on Friday I don't think we'll see anything more than maybe a passing flurries. So no snow with this system, all rain. Over the weekend, we're going to see skies clear, just like tonight. That'll be Friday night. Look at all this sunshine on Saturday. And then on Sunday, we'll start the day with some sun before some high clouds come on in. But both Saturday and Sunday will be dry. In terms of rainfall, nothing here tonight or during the daylight hours tomorrow. This is 11 o'clock tomorrow night. Watch the rain overspread the area. By 7 o'clock in the morning, everyone will have seen rain on Thursday. And in the afternoon, there could be up to an inch of rain. This amount of rain could be the most we have seen since October of last year. It's been that long, and then it will end here on Thursday evening. So for tomorrow, looking for morning sunshine. Clouds will spread from south to north. We'll be back into the low 40s across the region. That's warmer than we are this afternoon. We're now in the 30s. Low 40s up north as well, with morning sunshine, afternoon high clouds, and from Grand Rapids southward, a dry day with temperatures in the low 40s. 13 on your side forecast. After the weekend and dry weather, will continue to be dry and in the 40s on Monday. 51 on Valentine's Day. There'll be a brief round of some overnight rain. Just a cloudy and mild day Wednesday. And then in the afternoon on Thursday next week, temperatures will climb into the mid-50s before crashing all the way down into the 30s and 20s with some snow the following Friday.